Welcome back everybody to beautiful Haulover Inlet and Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. We've got an offshore wind today, an outgoing tide. It is definitely going to be a battle for our captains to come away with some victories here. But let's go ahead and get this episode started, and our first round contestant steps in the ring to do battle with Haulover. Here we've got this cigarette. Oh no! We've got this cigarette coming out of Haulover, and they stuff it early. This crew is soaked already, and the stuffings continue and keep coming. I mean, these guys really needed to get on the throttle a little bit. They opted not to, and instead they're absolutely soaked. One thing I really do hope for this crew though, I hope this wasn't a new boat purchase and this is their first time out, because I'll guarantee they're currently second guessing that if that's the case. But here it looks like our cap's gonna finally get on those throttles a little bit, but it is too late. The damage is done, and Haulover went for a knockout blow early on this crew, and Haulover's going to go ahead and take the win here in the first round. One thing you can definitely tell after watching our first round crew come through Haulover today, it is a rough one. Captains are gonna struggle today. And here we go into round two with this Regal coming through Haulover. Now this crew's already got people in the bow of the boat, so we already know that's probably not a good sign. On a day like today, you definitely don't want to add any extra weight up there. But they make it through the first part of Haulover without issue, but let's see how things go as they move into the offshore sets. And here we go. Oh man, she got air and came down hard. Our girl who's in the bow of the boat is hanging on for dear life. This wave hits them, sends her in the air, and it's gonna knock her to the deck of the boat on the second bounce. Right here, down she goes. Man, I hope she's okay. This is why I hate watching people come through in the bow, especially on a rough day. Everybody thinks it's just gonna be fun. It's all games at Haulover, but I'll tell you what, this crew's learning really quick. It is definitely not a game. On a rough day at Haulover, this can be dangerous. Now this crew appears, they're going to go ahead and pull that infamous Haulover U-turn and try and come back into the inlet and regroup a little bit, but Haulover knocked them with one heck of a right hook, and this crew will take a loss for the boats here in the second round as well. And this is an early shot. Haulover is striking early. In a 5-round competition, the boats go down 2-0. The boats can't lose again. And this will take us into our third round, and let's see how the boats fare here. But the boats have to win. They really have to pull it together here in the third round, because if they go down one more time, this will be over early. And here we can see in the third round, we actually have the same person who competed in the first round, but hopefully they can make a better impression this time as they make their way into Haulover Inlet. They've got this boat just barely on plane, and let's see how that pays off for them. But oh man! They stuff it again. The stuffings just keep coming for this crew. And man, these guys are absolutely drenched. These bilge pumps will be working overtime in this boat for days to come. And unfortunately for the boats, this means Haulover takes the early win as it sweeps 3 rounds in a row. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Miami Boat Ramps, where we focus on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.